Hi there, students. Nonchalant. Nonchalant is an adjective. Nonchalantly, the corresponding adverb, and nonchalance, the noun. Okay, if somebody is nonchalant, they are cool, calm, casual, not stressed. He nonchalantly walked through the fire. So he wasn't at all worried by it. He was relaxed and cool and calm. Nonchalant, unconcerned, not worried, calm and detached, uninvolved. So this matter is really serious, and he is too nonchalant about it. He treats it as if it is nothing. So nonchalant, calm, cool, easygoing, blasé, unfazed, unconcerned. When he sees a girl that he likes, he tries to be nonchalant. Yeah, he tries to pretend he's not interested in her, but he is. He seems very nonchalant about his massive debts. So maybe he thinks he'll win some money, or maybe the banks will just forget about the debt. He seems very relaxed about it. So to be cool and relaxed in what would be a very stressing situation for most people. However, people normally try to look nonchalant, to seem cool, even though they're hiding how they really feel and their real nerves and stress about the situation. So, a nonchalant attitude, a nonchalant smile, a nonchalant air. Notice the preposition as well, to be nonchalant about something. He was nonchalant about the danger. The more nonchalant he is towards her, the more she wants him. He nonchalantly walked about the battlefield, although there were bullets flying everywhere and explosions every other second. In a negotiation, it is important to seem nonchalant. If you seem too keen and too stressed about it, then the other person knows you really need to make a deal. It doesn't matter. Well, if we make a deal, great. If we don't, it doesn't matter. I don't really need this. He nonchalantly admitted his crimes as if they were nothing. So to be nonchalant, to be cool, calm and relaxed about something that you would think might stress people out. But maybe in a crisis, to be nonchalant is a good thing, because you keep your head and you can make better decisions. Although I think that's remaining calm. Nonchalant has more the idea of, I couldn't care less either way, it doesn't really matter. Okay, this word nonchalant comes from French. Not to be heated up, not to be warmed. Okay, we have non, not, and chaloir, to heat up, to warm up, or to be concerned. Yeah? Okay, so this is not something to cause concern. You have this verb, you have chaleur in French, meaning heat, and chaloir, to heat up or to cause concern. This in turn comes from Latin, calere, meaning heat, to heat up, heat something. Yeah? Okay? Calor, chaleur, this word about warmth. Okay? So, if you're nonchalant, you're cool, calm and relaxed about something that, well, might be more serious, or you're trying to seem cool and calm. So there we go, nonchalant. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nonchalant, nonchalantly, nonchalant.